Mr. White, drop that milquetoast kibble and rush to the nearest store for a taste of sweet, sweet, sweet clean speed.
When danger lurks.
Say, Brendan, what's the difference between a broken bone and a broken heart?
System error. I repeat, system error.
Ah, damn it to hell.
Hi! You there! Mysterious stranger! Yoo-hoo! Yeah, you! There any other mysterious stranger around here? You know what? How about I tell you a joke?
Sure, be my guest.
What must all... The hypocrite...
Okay,
No, it's...
why am... Do you know? Cool.
Thank you, V. Boy, are you strong. Here, have a refreshing beverage. On me.
You... Okay.
Prepare for cooler conditions as we head into the weekend.
Welcome to N54.
He did it again. And we just got back together. And now he's dodging my calls. He's just scared of getting dumped. And so he always does it first. And I'm always the one trying to save the relationship. I feel like such a gonk.
He's the gonk here, Theo, not you. You have so much love and empathy to give to people like him. But at what cost?
I gotta go now. But thanks for listening to all my bitching.
I bet you even Donald Lundy sometimes goes through a whole tub of ice cream and 3 packets of tissues.
Brandon, you are the sweetest person I know. I'll see you later.
Who's that girl you...
Oh,
You said you like...
what are you doing? I'm perfectly satisfied with my... Thank you, V. Boy, I was scared to my core. I thought he'd paint some mean things on me. The humiliation. Say, since we've been through so much together, I guess that makes us best friends. That calls for a discount.
Thanks, Brendan.
Don't worry, you deserve it. You're one tough cookie, and yet so nice.
Not to everyone.
I couldn't be mean even if I wanted to. Especially to you. Can't speak ill of the dead, right?
Wait,
You're...
トラブルを起こすトラブルになる煙に対してバー 통해서 알려줍니다. 퍼시픽 서브웹은 LCD 관할 지역에 속하지 않습니다.